Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of Remitly app. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will write the name of the application of Remitly as you see, and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.